In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram post with templates in Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and you're on the main homepage. From here, we're going to start a brand new design. Look towards the top of the screen for the button that says Create a Design. This is usually highlighted, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click that. This tells Canva that you want to start something new instead of editing an existing project. Once you click Create a Design, a search bar or a list of suggested formats will appear. In that search bar, start typing the word Instagram. As you type, Canva will show different Instagram options like Instagram posts, Instagram story, and sometimes other related formats. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a standard Instagram post, which is usually a square design. When you see Instagram posts appear in the list, click on it. Canva will then open a new blank canvas with the correct size for an Instagram feed post. This is important because it ensures your design fits perfectly on the platform without being cropped or resized awkwardly. Now that your blank Instagram canvas is open, we're going to use templates to make the design process much faster and easier. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with different options like elements, uploads, and text. Among these options, find and click on Templates. This is where Canva stores thousands of ready-made designs that you can customize. After clicking on Templates, a large collection of Instagram post designs will appear, usually with different styles, colors, and themes. You can scroll through and preview them just by hovering or clicking once. When you find a template that matches the look and feel you want, simply click on it, and it will automatically apply to your blank Instagram canvas. From here, you can start customizing the template by changing the text, colors, images, and other elements to match your brand or message. But the key steps you've just learned are how to get to the right Instagram size and how to access and apply a Canva template, which saves you time and gives you a polished starting point for your post.